Next one, the interval in which y is equal to x square into e raised to minus x is increasing is dash. And options are given. First option, the full R real numbers. Second, minus 2, 0. And third one, 2 infinity. And the fourth one, 0, 2. So as usual, we will take y. Y is equal to x square into e raised to minus x. Take the derivative. dy by dx equal to what we have to do? We have to apply product rule. Two functions are there. So first function x square into derivative of the second is minus e raised to minus x. Plus second function e raised to minus x into derivative of the first is 2x. So e raised to minus x is common. What we get is minus x square plus 2x. Again, if I am taking a negative x also outside from the bracket, minus x into e raised to minus x into negative came outside, so the balance is x. Here also negative came outside and the balance is minus 2. What we need to do next, equate dy by dx to 0, which implies minus x into e raised to minus x into x minus 2 is equal to 0. E raised to exponential function will never take a value equal to 0. So what we can conclude, either x equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we are getting x equal to 0 or x equal to 2. Okay, so break the real numbers. This is infinity, this is minus infinity, 0, 2. So the intervals are, one is minus infinity 0, the second one is 0, 2, and the third one is 2 infinity. By seeing these three intervals itself, we can avoid one option. We can avoid option A. Okay, so choose from the balance 3. So we will check. In minus infinity 0, we can take a one value. Otherwise, we can draw as usual the table. This is interval, this is the sign, and this is the nature, so that it is easy to identify. The interval, first interval is minus infinity 0, second interval we got as 0, 2, and the third interval we got as 2 infinity. No need to write these much step because it is a choose the following. Still we are writing the step to identify the answer. Okay. So minus infinity 0, what will be the sign? You can take a number in between 0 and minus infinity. Take negative 1. When we give the value of negative 1 to dy by dx, negative is there, so already negative. Again, when we give the value of x as minus 1, we are getting negative. So now, e raised to x will be a positive number always. And here when we give the negative sign, it is again negative. So altogether it is negative into positive into negative, which gives the value as negative. So it is strictly decreasing. Okay. In 0, 2, you can take the value 1. In between, in the interval, 1 is an element. So if I substitute 1, negative will be negative itself. X will take the positive value. E raised to minus x again a positive value. When I substitute x, value of x as 1 here, 1 minus 2 will be a negative value. So negative into positive into positive into negative together gives you positive value. So it is increasing. Okay. And the third one is 2 infinity. So take a value 3. So if I put a negative, negative is negative itself. When I put the value 3 in x, it is positive. E raised to is always positive. And when I put 3 here, 3 minus 2 is again positive. So negative into positive into positive into positive again gives the sign negative. So it is decreasing. Okay. So in the 3 interval, minus infinity, 0 and 2 infinity, the function is strictly increasing. And in 0 to, strictly decreasing. And in 0 to it is strictly increasing. And the question is to find at which interval it is strictly increasing. Which interval we got 0 to. So which is the option? Option is answer. Answer is option D. Answer is option D.